Hey guys, this is Eddie here, and today I want to show you my Lego ww2 German motorcycle game. So here you got. I got this motorcycle set from Indiana Jones set, about 2008 probably, something like that. Anyway, I got my German MG42 because they did have these. Like, it was pretty cool actually. They had them convoys, and they just had the motorcycle driving behind the Jeeps, like, protect them. Also, they had them for messaging, like bringing like mail back and forth between all places, even though they did have phones. But anyway, I got an MG42 here. Pretty cool. Damn, my driver. It's pretty much just a motorcycle. I hit on par because on the bottom. Because this is what a regular motorcycle would look like. This is the bottom, right here, and that's the part where the connection goes in this. So right there is where that would go. So yeah, I thought this would be cool. I'm gonna include this in mocks in the future, but yeah, just thought I'd do a review on that. Yeah, so guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks again. Bye.